Okay, guys, here we are in the back end of the WordPress site that I've sent you access to already. This first video is going to be how to change your logo. I think that was the question you had. So we're going to be here in the dashboard. We'll go to dashboard again. We'll get here. Okay, so we're in the dashboard. This is what you're going to see when you're logging in. You're going to scroll down to Appearance, Theme Options, Appearance, Theme Options. Click Global. Click Logo. And if you wanted to remove the existing logo, basically you're going to click Remove Logo, and then you're going to upload the new picture. But I'm not going to remove that logo right now. Well, I guess I could. I'll show you how to do it. Remove, you go click Browse. And we're going to find the other one there. I believe it is. Is that the one? 2018-6. Yeah, that's the one. So the logo, we're gonna go select File, and it's there. And then you're gonna go Save Changes.